Day or night, some good home cooking in a one-of-a-kind atmosphere keeps locals and travelers alike cruising back to Miss Molly's Diner. This built-and-ready structure is brought to life with both interior and exterior pre-installed LED lighting, made for use with the Just Plug lighting system. The restaurant is styled like a train car eatery, making it a unique addition to any layout. Hand-painted and authentically weathered, the building's exterior features flower pots, a bench, a U.S. flag, and a detached menu board displaying today's specials. An eye-catching printed interior includes window curtains and ample seating for hungry patrons to enjoy their favorite all-American meal. The ready-made structure includes a highly detailed detached sign for custom placement that can be illuminated with a Just Plug spotlight. Offered for N, HO, and O scales, this local establishment is open for business on your layout right out of the package. Purchase Miss Molly's Diner at your local hobby store or order from woodlandscenics.com.